This tutorial will cover the departments functionality and describe how you might go about using it. So departments are a mean of grouping your users together and giving them specific pathways and capabilities when using your storefront. So for example, users in a department may have access only to certain delivery or payment methods. Departments can also be used in conjunction with a feature named access permissions to control access to certain products, and that functionality will be covered in a different tutorial. The first thing we need to do is to navigate to the departments screen. So that's found under configuration and departments. This shows us a list of all of the departments that we have available in the current storefront, of which at the moment there isn't any. We click on Add New Record. It wants a few bits of information from us to do with the department. So primarily these first 4 boxes here. So we have a name of the department, a description, a cost code, and a PL code. With those bits of information input, we can go on Insert, and we can get to some additional information for that department by clicking on this plus icon to the left hand side of the entry. What we have available in here, first and foremost, is to choose the customers that we want to place within a particular department. So it's just a case of clicking on the checkbox next to the customers that you want to insert. At the moment, of course, we only have 1 customer in this storefront. We will be adding more in future sessions. Scrolling a bit further down, you also have the ability to select available payment methods to customers within this department. The same with shipping methods. And if you've got different addresses defined, you can choose which addresses that department is also able to use. How to actually set up these methods will be covered in different tutorial videos. We do need to make sure that we save these changes. So every single one of these sections has a different Save Changes icon that you need to be aware of. And that is it. That is your department created with a customer defined to that particular department. For the purposes of this tutorial and our continued build of our storefront, I'm also going to set up a few additional departments which are going to help us going forward. So if you are working alongside these tutorials to create a sample storefront, then I would recommend creating some additional departments as well. So we've got one which is called Red Code Department. Don't worry too much about the description, cost code or PL code, just put anything in those. And also some similar entries for Blue Co and Green Co. There's our 4 departments created. We click on Save, and those are now applied.